Hi guys, good morning. I'm still here. I'm not quitting. Okay. Today, this morning, I saw a video from Touch of Touch of uh, Touch of Tarot, and she's touching a card. And Touch of Tarot here. I show you why. Yeah, look. Did you remember this card that you're touching? Look, the card that you're touching in April 2. Here's the answer. Look, okay? Now I'm coming back to my seat and explain it to you. What is it? Okay, I adjust my camera. Ah, in our world, in ourselves, in me, in you, there's a very big mystery for every one of us. Sometimes we don't understand what kind of power is that and what kind of mystery in ourselves. It's hiding. You cannot see it, but you can feel it. Uh, we will do it slowly because I cannot explain it to you or to everybody the the key. We start in number one, okay? Uh, People in the world, all of us, go to school, do goodness in ourselves, and we forgot something. And we graduate, we get our intelligence, everything. But we forgot one thing in ourselves. To see the truth in your heart. You left this one in your heart. And you don't want to open it to anybody. That is the rebirth of yourself. That's the one. So, guys, I am doing this now because I can feel the power of God in me now to open up something and to share it to everybody. What is the meaning of love? Love, love. Sometimes in our life, we do greatness. We speak good to people, that we are clever, that we are everything, we know everything. No, there is something there that you left behind that must be saved, must be reborn. You left behind one thing in yourself. Most of us, not to you, not to everybody, to myself. So I use my body to myself that I forgot that is there. Long time ago, they give you this gift and you forgot it because of money, because the food we eat. You study in the school, you go around the world. I go around the world already. So I know everything. And that, uh, wait, that comes when I'm young. That knowledge. I know that knowledge. I close it. I close it myself to that knowledge. And now, they give it back to me to share it to the people. It's very hard to explain because it's from God. Okay? She's very beautiful. Look. Tarot touch. Look at this lady. She's touching the balls. I don't know what is ball, earth or what. That's the one you're touching in April 2, remember? You April 2, you're touching that card. And now I show you the card. So that's why I tell you slowly, slowly, because this one is not easy to study. The key is not easy to study. It's very hard to study the key. Even me, I'm struggling to study the key. I need to what do you mean? To balance myself. You know, stabbing my back 10 times to to get back my power. You see? That is the meaning of that one you're talking. So we go back again to the one we're studying. People sometimes they think they know everything. It's not. You left behind one thing in your heart. And that is the Holy Spirit. They're teaching us what we do in the world and make it right. Do it in the right thing, not to go backward. That is the meaning of rebirth. You dig in your heart, dig everything you dig in what you left behind. Because of our need to become powerful. Speech, huh? No. You study the things. That is not important. To study things or go to school or like this. No. The one rebirth is from your heart. Dig it, what you left behind. That is the love inside. They teach us how to remember what is we left behind before, that we don't want to face it. You know, we don't want to face it because it's hurt. So now the heaven asking us to dig our heart, to show to the people there's still something, hope is coming big time. Or the God will not leave us, no way. The God is still with us, but sometimes people is greedy, you know, greedy. They said money is the root of evil, right? So even us who study everything, learning everything, know everything, but we forgot to study the love that Holy Spirit give us. So now that's number one teaching I will give to myself and for everybody. But remember that card. Look. That lady, you touch that one in February 2 in your tarot card. Touch tarot card. I'll show you here again. She's beautiful. She's a beautiful spirit. Look. Got the long hair. She's a mermaid. Mermaid sitting in the stone. That's the card you're touching it. Remember? Okay? Oh, I'm nosebleed now. Nose bleeding. Because my English is no good. So I need it slowly. I think my nose is bleeding. Huh? My English is need to go to school to learn, to express my everything there, the light. Okay, it is the one. We must follow me, everybody. The light, you know, light. The light is the one will release us from dark lights, big lights, lights from Holy Spirit. They're not leaving us. They're here. We are the one who make ourselves bad and greedy because of power and because of money. That's why I surrender. I go to God. I will not go to the bad. I continue the secret I'm hiding long time ago. And I'm a medium also. when I'm young, we said we are faith healer, young in my age. But I close it when I'm teenager and go to my lovely things I want to go. You know, they give me the chance. They give me everything, happiness, money, everything. Before when I'm young, they give. But there is a time when the call is coming. Hey girl, come here. That is not your job. Your job is to continue the one you cut off from me. Bring it back. Now, right now, bring it back. So now I'm in front of you. We call it awakening. So, but before I do that, the pain, ten sword must come to my back. It's no problem. It take me only 1 month. I get up and I sit in my computer. What kind of job I will do? I'm too old to do this. And I never do that in my place because I'm doing the donation. I'm doing the feeding and helping people here in my place. So if so, I don't know what kind of job. Nobody will hire me. I'm too old to do that. So when I'm sitting in my computer, why not go to Blogger? You stay in your house and you can enjoy yourself. So that's the one they give me to do the job. So now I'm sharing you everything this one. And now you're smiling right now if you saw that mermaid you touching. The mermaid, baby. Tarot touch. That mermaid you touching is the one. O sige, tomorrow we will get another lesson. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.